Greetings, I'm Dev the developer.
And I'm Glitch.
CSS has a built-in math function called calc. It solves a problem that trips everyone up, mixing units that can't be combined any other way. We'll also look at how calc pairs with CSS custom properties. Here's the problem. You want a container that's always full minus a fixed 40 pixel gap on each side. You naturally write width is 100% minus 40 pixels.
But that's not valid CSS. You can't write width 100% 40px. The browser ignores it. Percent is relative, pixels are fixed.
Right. The browser doesn't know what 100% is in pixels until it actually renders the layout. The math has to happen at render time after the window size is known. That's calc. You write the expression and the browser evaluates it when it has all the values.
Wait, so it's not that CSS learned subtraction. You're writing a deferred expression that the browser resolves later when it can.
Exactly. Let's write it.
Container div in the HTML calc 100% 40px in the style sheet. The browser recomputes this on every reflow, resize the window, and the element follows.
One syntax rule. The plus and minus operators inside calc require space on both sides. Without the space, the minus looks like part of a negative number and the browser rejects the whole expression.
Oh, so the space tells the parser this is subtraction, not a signed value. A small distinction with a big consequence.
Exactly. And calc isn't limited to percent and pixels. You can mix any units the browser knows. Viewport units, rem, any of them. A common one is a hero section that fills the viewport height minus a fixed header.
Hero div in the HTML calc 100 VH 60px. 100 viewport height units minus 60 fixed pixels. Two completely different unit families combined in one expression.
Now a different problem. Say you have a sidebar layout. The sidebar is 250 pixels wide. You write that value in the sidebar rule and again in the calc for the main content. What happens when you want to change it?
You hunt through every rule that uses that number and update each one by hand. Miss one and the layout breaks.
CSS custom properties fix that. You define a value once at the root, then reference it anywhere using var. Change the root definition once, and every rule that reads it updates.
One definition, every dependent rule reads from it. Change the definition and the update propagates to every consumer in the style sheet simultaneously. No matter how many rules depend on it, every single one. That's extremely practical for style sheets.
Yes, for style sheets. Let's build it.
Layout HTML in, root variable defined, sidebar width 250 pixels. Sidebar reads it back with var, main uses calc to take what's left, one definition, two consumers.
And the payoff. Change sidebar width in the root to 100 pixels, both the sidebar width and the calc expression updates. One change in one place.
Oh, you're not maintaining two values. You're maintaining one value that two rules depend on. That's a completely different problem.
That's the whole idea. Calc is for math, custom properties for consistency. Use calc wherever you need to mix units. Use a custom property wherever you need to write the same value twice. Don't just watch it, do it.